Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making baked buffalo wings, y'all. That means more snacking and less guilt. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified of new uploads. Now let's get started. So to get started, I'm going to season about 2 pounds of chicken wings, and then I'm going to make sure using my hands that I massage the seasoning into the chicken wings, and then I'm going to place these chicken wings on a sheet pan. I'm going to spread them out to make sure that they have plenty of room to crisp up in the oven. Once I have all of my chicken wings on the sheet pan, then I place them in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes or until they're nice and crispy. And once my chicken wings are almost done, I'll go ahead and put together the sauce. So I'm going to do this on a stovetop. You can do this in a microwave if you like. But basically, I'm just going to take some hot sauce, a little bit of honey. You can also use sugar and butter. And when it comes to the hot sauce, use whatever you like. You can use Crystals, Frank's Red Hot, you can use Louisiana, it really doesn't matter. But I'm basically just going to stir these ingredients together well until the butter is melted and the sauce is warm throughout. And then once my chicken wings are done, I remove them from the oven and I take them out of the sheet pan and place them in a large bowl. These wings are so crispy and they smell so good. I'm telling you, I can eat them right now without the sauce. All right, now we're just going to pour all of that warm buffalo sauce over our hot wings, and we're going to give it just a couple tosses in the sauce. I like to add a lot of sauce to my wings, y'all. I love saucy buffalo wings. But anyway, I'm using tongs. You can just go in here with your hands. And once I'm done tossing the wings, I'm going to plate these up with some celery, some carrot sticks, and blue cheese dressing because I've never really been a fan of ranch. I don't know. What about y'all? Are y'all team ranch or y'all team blue cheese? Let me know. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another recipe. I will see you later.